What's up, guys? American Mexican Gus here. Today I got a special video. I got my 10.5 inch upper receiver from PSA, and I put the CMMG conversion kit in it, and we're gonna try it out and see how it works. Of course, I got the cat muzzle brake on that, and I got the 3D printed buffer in there, so we'll see if she works. This time I took one of the weights out of it to see if it functions flawlessly with it, so we don't have any bolt bounce. All right. Some of this cheap Winchester, 5 rounds. Let's see, 25 rounds. All right. All right. So that buffer in there is actually doing its job, you guys. Let's put it on the fun switch. Nobody knows. Oh, that was a light timer strike, you guys. Oh, something happened. Huh. Alright, I think something's wrong with this, you guys. Oh, that's what happened, you guys. Alright, when you guys have this malfunction, it's pretty bad, you guys. The casing got stuck in between there because it didn't have enough power to actually fully eject, so it got stuck in between there. Yeah. Alright, you guys, I got it. 22 is finicky. We all know that. Alright, I'm gonna stop for now, you guys, and we're gonna continue shooting. I'm gonna put up a fresh new target, and then we'll give you more content on this setup, you guys, because this is kind of a home defense setup, you know, because if you live in an apartment and stuff, you don't want over penetration. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna get off. Let's redo that again. That was weird. Of course. So, you guys, I got a function.
Alright, go ahead, it's ready.
Alright, you guys, I gotta stop the camera real quick. Man, I guess these rim fires are having problems, man. Right when I talk. Alright. Oh, okay. Alright, let's see if we can keep going. And I'm pretty sure it might be the 3D printed buffer that's in here, you guys. Because these rounds aren't powerful. Push the bolt back. I might be out on that one. Yeah, that's pretty. Oh, shit. Winchester white box. It's not. Now we got some CCI mini mag. Let's see how that runs. And it's supposed to run with this buffer. Now we got a full mag full of CCI mini mag. Yeah, I don't know what the hell that was. Yeah, you see how that, like how I got stuck with the charging handle? Yeah, that malfunction is pretty bad. There you go. All right, I'll be back with you guys. I'm gonna do a few adjustments on this, and we're gonna keep on because we got a bunch of ammo to go through. I'm just trying to see if I can do 22 honestly. All right, so bear with me. Sorry about that, you guys. All right, so I took out that tungsten weight out of it. Let's see if it doesn't do a job like that. Binary. So I guess there was just a tungsten weight in there, you guys. Flawlessly, you guys. I'm impressed. I am impressed. I'm gonna load up a magazine, you guys, and I'm gonna tell you my final thoughts on this. We're gonna keep loading up, but I'm gonna try and shoot first, and then I'll continue rolling. All right, you guys. I got 2 magazines loaded up. I've been having this malfunction where the charging handle and the bolt carrier, the bullet gets stuck up inside in between the charging handle and bolt carrier group. It's a common malfunction with this. I know Board Buddy has their own proprietary CMMG 22 charging handle, and it works and it prevents that from happening. So mind me if I keep getting those malfunctions. But she seems to be working flawlessly. Like I said, I have the 3D printed buffer. but I took both the weights out, so it's just that little weight itself to make sure it doesn't have any bolt bounce. See that malfunction right there, you guys? That's what has been happening. It keeps happening, bro. It wants to work good, like it really does. It's just a stupid charging handle is in the way, you guys. You have to do that. Right when I'm about to do that. Did it again. Hey guys, I kind of figured out a way how to unstuck it now, which is kind of funny. It's all because of the charging handle, you guys. This sucks. Oh, we're out. All right. Last mag. Thank you guys for watching. I'm trying to put as much content as I can, little videos here and there, but I gotta buy that 4-buddy charging handle, bro, because man, this is giving me problems. Thank you guys for watching. I'm American Mexican Gunslinger. I'll see you guys around. And it did chamber. Watch this. Oh, I gotta cock it back. It didn't chamber. What the hell? See how it's chambered? Wow. Ain't that it? And I dropped my bag. I wish there was more YouTube videos like this. Just straight up malfunction all the time. Isn't this sad, you guys? Alright. So I guess I'm not gonna use this for home defense. I guess I'll stick to, I don't know. I can't use an AK over penetration. Can't use an AR over penetration. Can't use a shotgun because these ranges don't allow me to train with it. So I guess a handgun is gonna have to do. So annoying, you guys. It's like trying to strike. Let's go to regular. Well, that's all she wrote, you guys. Thank you guys for watching American Mexican Gunslinger. Leave down in the comments below what you guys think. This is my little 22 build. I'm out. Peace.